Hello, Benjamin Whitcomb here, cello professor at University of Wisconsin-Whitewater. Just want to talk to you briefly about a workshop I'm doing through WSMA on June 17th, 9 to 1 p.m. in Wanakee. The workshop is titled Getting the Most from Your Cello Section. I know there's a lot of principles that apply equally to all the bowed string instruments, but then there are also some very specific techniques and ideas specific to each of them. So if for your cello section, there's aspects of cello vibrato, or helping them get a better tone in the upper half of the bow, or just aspects of troubleshooting their posture, or helping them out with fingerings for just an occasional tricky passage. Sometimes it works to turn to your principal cellist and say, hey, do you have a fingering that you like? Could you share it with the rest of the section? And other times they still only consider so many possibilities, and they need you to say, if your first finger is on F sharp there, can't you grab the rest of that passage on the D and the G string without having to shift, or whatever the case may be. So if you at all think that you would like to improve your ability to speak to your cello section in a way that makes it seem like cello was your primary instrument, this is the workshop for you. It's $30 for WSMA members, $75 for non-members, which, if I may say so, is a real bargain for what the content that you're going to get. And again, it's June 17th from 9 to 1 in Wanakee. You find out about it by going to WSMAmusic.org and looking under workshops. I hope to see you there.